Good morning. Happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's get started. Today you're going to have two focus words. Finger on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. 8. Again, sound it out. Get ready. 8. Say it fast. Yes, 8. The dog ate my homework. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Name. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Name. Say it fast. Yes, name. My name is Miss Pope. Now we're going to read the sentence from our worksheet. Finger on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. Sam. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Sam. Say it fast. Yes, Sam. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Is. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Is. Say it fast. Yes, is. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Mad. Again, sound it out. Get ready. Mad. Say it fast. Yes, mad. My turn to read the sentence the fast way. Sam is mad. Your turn. Get ready. Good job. Sam is mad. On the first part of your worksheet, you're going to trace the sentence, then you're going to write the sentence 2 times. On the next part, you're going to match your sounds. So if you see S, you're going to write I in the empty box. If you see the sound A, you're going to write A in the empty box. Turn your paper over. On the back side, you're going to cross out and you're going to circle. On the next part, you're going to match your sounds. Make sure you do nice straight lines. And on the last part, you're going to practice writing your sounds. Remember, if they are chicken letters, they go under the dotted line. If they are giraffe letters, they start from the top to the bottom. And if they are monkey letters, they have a hanging tail. After you finish your pencil work, then you can color your picture. And that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.